Thank you, Rajamal sir. Thank you for your brief introduction. So, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, our DSO Garu, Mahendra sir, and ELTA General Secretary Yusuf sir, and the crew, ELTA crew of Siddipage. So, uh, I'm going to my presentation since it is scheduled, so we have to follow the instructions of our higher authorities. So, just you kindly watch the screen, so no need of any issues. So, I'm just showing you the PPT. So, this is just after watching the PPT, everyone can get an aware of how to create animated videos just using a simple app that is available on the Android platform. Okay. Sir Mahendra sir, is my screen visible?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Sir, please kindly mute others. Okay. Okay. So my topic is about creating animated videos. So as I said,
Ravinder sir.
Sir.
Ravinder sir.
Sir.
Only your photo is appearing. Your photo is appearing. You have not shared your screen so far.
Okay.
You share your screen.
Now, sir.
Yeah, sir. Appearing, sir. Your slideshow, first show, creating animated videos. Dr. Ravi Kumar Kola,
Okay.
School of English.
Is it okay, sir?
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Shall I continue?
Continue, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. So my topic is about creating animated videos. So let me tell you what is about animation. So animation is nothing but making a series of movements or change in the display. So here you can see this is just a GIF file where you can see the movements in this picture. So here by making animations, that is making movements or changes in the display, this generally grabs the attention of the students. So here, why? What is the need of animation in education, or why we need creating animation videos or animated slides like this? So what is the need of animation in education? Just for simplifying the concepts for students, making students like the subject, whatever the subject we teach, the language or non-languages. So we have to make the students to like the subject. Animation makes us the simplified that students will like the subject very much. And here it is making the subject very much easy. And you see, if you see in the psychological point of view, there are three domains as we studied in the psychology. There are affective domain, psychomotor domain, and the cognitive domain. Using of this animation, it triggers the cognitive function. It triggers the cognitive domain of the students. So animation in education is to fulfill a cognitive function. And we can, by using animations, we can make the knowledge attractive, the subject attractive, and there is a self-learning. There is a scope for self-learning and engages the learner. And you see, we want the students to motivate the sustainability, the sustain motivational aspect of the students. So here you can see I have just used simple animations for this presentation. So for this presentation, I have used the simple animation, simple movements by using the animations that are available in the PowerPoint. So like this. Yeah. So using PowerPoint also, the basic tool that is available in the desktop version, using your PowerPoint, Office 2020, 2010, or using Office 2016, or else using Office 2019, you can create the animations. So this is, we can create animations by using the desktop version. So if you are using desktop or laptop, if your mobile, if your the Windows operating system will be there, and it will be loaded with preloaded with this Microsoft Office. So for Microsoft Office or 2007 or 2010 or 2016, recently they have developed this Office 2019. By using this, you can also create animations. My intention is that by using the simple PowerPoint also, you can create animations. Here I wanted to tell you how we can create animations using our mobile. So the devices that are accessible to us. So the most of the teachers got access to this devices, that is the smartphones. Not only teachers, but 50% or 30% of 30 to 50% of the students also got access to the these smartphones. So let us discuss. Let us discuss in their view. Let us discuss in the keeping in view of the students and also the teachers, where we can create animations using the devices that are accessible to us. So like using mobiles. So because many of our are getting smartphones in our hands. So using the apps that are available, using the apps that are available in the smartphone, let us try to develop, let us try to create some content, let us try to create some animated things. So the first one is Twincraft. So Twincraft, this is a 2D animation, and my topic will be, I'll be especially and exclusively confining to this topic itself for today, because this is a very, very wonderful tool, and the teachers or students without technical knowledge also, I repeat, the students are the teachers without technical knowledge also, after attending my session, you will be creating animated videos, that is 2D animations. So 2D animations, you know, two dimensional, that is x-axis and y-axis. Okay. So coming to, if you want three-dimensional animations, 3D animations, you can create using this Toontastic. So this Toontastic is available. So you can create 3D animations using this Toontastic. Coming over here, Twincraft is available only on the Android platform. It is not available on the Apple iStore. If you want to create animations, you have to download this Toontastic. That is available both on Android platform and also an Apple iPhone. That is an Apple platform also. This is available. Okay. So this is by using this Twincraft, we can create 2D animations, but coming over here, Toontastic, you can create 3D animations also. So if you want more animations, if you want to explore more thing in future, so let us discuss some more things also, like Powtoon. So it is, Powtoon is nothing but it is the blended. There is a mixture of two words, that is a PowerPoint and a cartoon. PowerPoint plus cartoon, that is a Powtoon. So you can create awesome videos and power presentations using this Powtoon, but the limitation, the disadvantage of this Powtoon is that we will get a watermark by using this. So you are going to get a watermark using this. Okay. And the next one, the other one is also available. That is also there. That is a Render Forest. So these are the two apps that are, these are the two resources, online resources. No need of downloading any software. No need of downloading any apps like that. So these two, this Powtoon and Render Forest, these two are available on the Windows or Mac operating system, or you can use Linux operating system, whatever the thing. So we can use this, but you are going to get watermarks for this. But coming over here, other one, so this is the next very excellent one, Blender. So you can create 3D animations also. If you get expertise in using Blender, you can create animation stories, you can create animation videos, and you can also create animated games also. You can create, you can develop an animation movie also. But coming over here, Blender, this is somewhat difficult, and the Blender is a free source, free and open source resource. There is no license required for downloading this one. So there is no license required for this, and this is a free source and open source one. So you can create. So in future, I think many of the teachers will start trying to explore this Blender. Coming over here, my topic will be exclusively, I told you know, on this Tweencraft. So Tweencraft, this is a very wonderful one. You can just type in your Google Play Store. If you go to Google Play Store,
Excuse me, Ravi sir. Excuse me, Ravi sir.
madam.
Please say some slowly, sir.
Okay.
It is you are going so speed, sir. So some of the participants are unable to understand, sir. That's sir.
Okay, okay, madam. Okay, okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sorry for the
Okay,
interruption.
madam. Okay, sure. Okay, right. Okay, sir. Right, I'll be telling slow. Sir, just by using a Tweencraft. So this is the app that is available in the Google Play Store. By using this Tweencraft, you can create wonderful 2D animations. Not only yourself, you can make your students also to create this animations. Okay, so just go to Google Play Store. Just go to Google Play Store and you type Tweencraft. So I am typing the word in the chat box. So the app name is Tweencraft. Okay, I have typed the word, the particular app name in the chat box. If you wanted to note that one, you can note that thing. And see here, this is available only on the Android platform. It is not available on the desktop version or laptop version or on the iPhone version also. Only Android, only Android version it is available on the Android smartphones. Our intention is that, so the device that is available to the teachers, so every teacher got access to this a smartphone. So let us start from the beginning stage. So every teacher can use this app and they can explore and they can go further. So that is my intention, and also our ELTA intention, ELTA Telangana intention also. Okay. So here, just type Tweencraft in the Google Play Store. You will be getting this option like install. So you have to check the icon here. You have to check the icon here. Okay, so you have to check the icon here. So here you can see a kid with opening for his mouth and with the spets and yellow color hair over here. So this is the icon. So don't download other things. So you have to download only this particular by after watching this particular icon itself. So just type Tweencraft in the Google Play Store and you have to click on install. So when you click on install, automatically it started downloading. It starts downloading, and the app size is of just 72 MB, 72 MB size. So if your mobile is already preloaded with apps, please ensure sufficient storage in your mobile before downloading this app. Without sufficient storage, you remove the unnecessary videos or other photos or like any other thing which is there in your mobile, so that if sufficient storage is available in your mobile, this app will be getting downloaded. Okay, so when you try to download it, sir, you may complain that Ravi Kumar sir has came and he's told that so to download the Tweencraft, but it is not getting downloaded. So please try to ensure that before downloading that, please check your files and to see that it is getting downloaded or not. Yes, Madam Jyoti, Madam, any problem? Dolakala Jyoti raised your hand. Okay, right. So this
Continue,
is,
sir.
okay. So the app size is of just 72 MB. So it will be getting downloaded. After downloading, you can see here open option will come. So open option will come. So when you click on open, automatically the app opens like this. App opens like this. Don't get any worried. So oops, we lost connection. Meanwhile, you can create your story offline like that. It comes. Don't get panic. Don't get panic. Just you have to give some. It will be showing the instructions. So it will be showing some tutorials like that. So how can we add images and how can the movement of the images and the different expressions, all these things you can get over here. And you have to just click on this create story. You have to just click on this create story. So after opening up this app, this will appear and you just create, when you click on this create story, automatically it will ask you. So nowadays they have upgraded this one, and this is purely Indian version. The Tweencraft is developed by two software engineers who belongs to Bangalore. They are couple. They quit their job for developing this in the year 2016-17. They have developed this app, and I have been using this app since 1 year. and we are creating miracles, and many of the teachers they started using this because of the lockdown. There is a huge demand for this app, and we can create a wonderful 2D videos. So you will be amazing. You will be amazing after this thing. I will show you one or two videos of our students also who created the videos using this. Okay, right. So it will be asking you first, at the first instance, it will ask you to select the language. So you can select any language you are like as per your wish, and then it will show you the quick tutorials. It will be showing like the quick tutorials. So you go to just let's start. So when you click here, actually this is the one, this is the canvas. So this is the one which appears here. So this is the one where we are going to do our work. So where we are going to do our work. So here you are going to see here back, undo will be there, tip and sound. Here you can see here tap here. So here this is an yellow color background, and here when you can see something is hidden. So like this in a semicircle where you can see right side arrow pointing over here. So when you click on tap here, you will be getting like this. So what are the things that we can include in our animated videos? So in this TwinCraft. So here we can add a character, we can add backgrounds, we can add music, we can add text, we can import an image, we can import a GIF file. So GIF. So graphic interface, that one. So where there is some movement, GIF files also will be there as a wishes, as a Diwali wishes or New Year wishes or Teachers Day wishes. Many of our friends will be sending these GIF files. So you can insert these many things into this TwinCraft. So you can also import your images. When you wanted to tell about Nick, you can import the image of Nick Vujicic. Or if you wanted to tell about Wangari Maathai, you can insert the image of Wangari Maathai. Like that, you can insert and you can go on continuing this. So here, adding characters, adding background, adding music. So adding music and adding text and importing of images and GIF files. So these many things you can get. These many things you can get in this TwinCraft. Yeah. So when you click on the character, so nearly 100 to 100 and preloaded characters are available over here. 100 to 120 preloaded characters are available here. So we can make use of these characters only and create videos. We cannot we cannot insert our own characters like that. So this is the limitation of this app. So here there are nearly 100 to 120. So when you wanted to download this these characters, with which character you wanted to include the conversation or include the interview, or else if you wanted to do a short description like that, or about the thing that you wanted to tell the details about our online classes, or whatever the thing which you wanted to present in that your animation video, you have to download the characters. Nowadays, because of the huge demand, they started, you have to watch a simple 10 seconds or 15 seconds of an ad for downloading the character. Earlier time, just because 1 year back I have taken the screenshots. So you can see here, they're getting downloaded here. But now they have given some link, some video link is given over here. Just if you click on that, 10 seconds video will be played, some ad like that, and automatically you can click, you can download the character. So here you can see these characters are not downloaded, but coming over here, these are enabled. Tom and Nikki are enabled, and a tick. So here you can see 10% it is getting downloaded, 10% it is getting downloaded. And you can see here the other characters like Blackman, Deadpool, Doctor, Redman, Kejriwal, Raga, or Namo. So Narendra Modi, you can also take that, or Old Man. A teacher also here, teacher is also there, aunt is also there, love is there. So you can see Amit Shah also, like this Rashid, like this. According to your lesson, according to your topic, according to the presentation, you can select the characters that are there available over here, like Farmer, Minnie, Sardarji. You can make use of these characters. So whenever you want to insert that, so you have to select that one and you have to download that one. That is the first step of adding the characters. So whenever you have added a character, if you click on that, it will be available for us. And coming over backgrounds, you can also create backgrounds for your videos. So there are nearly some 100 backgrounds are available. Same way, like church, like beach, like black, like blue, or cave interior, the conversation at a cafe, or like at a college or at a school. So if you want a green background also, like green mat, you can also create a green background or a blue background like that. So here school background is also available. Hall is there. So like kitchen or bedroom or computer, sitting in front of a computer, or bathroom or office, like this. Several backgrounds are also available. So here bus stand, camp, and a date or dock or TV, like that. So you can take the background as you wish. And coming over here, so these are the two things. First, I have told you about the downloading of the characters. Second one is about the background, and next about the music. So if you wanted to add a background music for your conversation or for your video, you can also take preloaded musics are also available over here. You can download that. So here you can see here, choose background music. Choose background music is available. So you can make use of that music also. Yeah. So here you can see different one, movements, sweet promise, busy area, clock, like this. You can go on importing that one. You can go on importing and you just click add, automatically the music will be added as a background music. Okay. Yeah. So next, you can also, in the later stages, we can also use the dialogue boxes, like when they are speaking, when the character is speaking. So to correlate, to make our students both to comprehend. So what they are speaking. So you can also keep the dialogues in the dialogue box. Not only just speaking, we can make them, we can show them the dialogues in the form of words. For that, you can also choose text boxes also, like dialogue boxes. That are of 6 different kinds. So narration white, narration transparent, messenger blue left, messenger blue light. So if character is standing in this side, facing towards the right side, you can use this one, this dialog box. If the character is facing its head towards the left side, you can use this dialog box. Like that, you can use these dialog boxes and you can go on inserting the text over here. Yeah. So this is what the different things that are available. So now just after downloading of characters, now we are ready. So just if you click on add character, I have inserted the Nikki. So you can see here Nikki is coming over here. So this is the first frame. You know our movies, 24 frames. Like that, we have to create frames one by one. First frame, second frame, third frame, like that. In first frame, which character? Second frame, which image? You can also, I told you can download the images that are available in your mobile, or else from your Google images also. Online images also you can download and you can insert here. So here I have just downloaded the first character, that is a Nikki, and when you select on that particular character, it will be coming over here. So using this button, these 4 arrows, you can move the character as you wish. If you want to make him to stand this side, you can stand this side. If you want to make him to turn this right side, you can turn him. You can sit him, make him sit, make him stand, make him bend. Whatever posture you want, you can do whatever the thing you like it. So you can see here, this is move, MOVE. This is in reverse. This is a mirror image, you can see. So you can turn this one. So he, as this Nikki is facing towards left, you can make him to turn towards right side also. And here, whenever you choose any character, you are going to get a dialogue box like a recording here. So what the character want to speak, you have to click on record and you have to give the voice over. You have to click and give the voiceover. So the beautiful thing that is available with the TwinCraft is that if Jyoti madam is giving, or the other any ma'am is giving the voice, automatically if the character is of the boy, the voice will be converted into boy voice itself, not the female voice. Even the female voice is giving, it will be automatically the TwinCraft. The beautiful of the thing that is available with the TwinCraft is that even though male is giving the voice for the female character, automatically the voice will be modulated as a female. So this is the thing where you can see, where in another app you can see this feature. The voice modulation is there. According to the character, the voice will be taken. If it is a child character, the voice will be taken as a child character. If it is an adult character, the voice will be taken as an adult character, like that. Okay. So here, by using this 4 arrows, you can move the character as to the portion where you want. You can see here, I didn't insert any background. So just it is like this. The frame is like this. And here you can move and you can just click tap here to record a dialogue. You can tap here and you can record that. Okay. Yeah. So here you can tap on that and you start recording. So we will see what is happening when we record. Yeah, you can see. So when I tapped here, it is asking tap here to record dialogue. So you can see the recording will be going on over here. So when you tap here on the recording dialogue, it goes and it starts recording. It starts recording. Next. So here you can see the dialogue recorded and it is showing ready to play. So if you want, you can listen it again. If you want to listen to the dialogue, you can listen it again. If you feel that is not suitable, that is not good, you wanted to change, yeah, automatically if you click on these three dots, you will be getting it a delete. So you can delete this recording, and again you can go for a fresh one. You can listen to the dialogue which was posted by you, which was recorded by you. You can listen to that. If you wish that it is not good, you can delete that and you can go for the other one. Okay, that is the thing. And again, I have completed one frame, one dialogue for this character. Next, you have to select the second frame like this. So frame 2 is there available over here. So you have to click on the frame and add another character. So here, another character, it will be showing like this. So here you have to add. Okay. Yeah. So here I can add over here. You can record the voice for this girl also. You can record the voice for this girl also. Okay. So this is the second frame. You can go on. Yeah. So if you want to change the background, if you want to change the background for this, you can just click on any background which you wish on by selecting on that, and you can change the background. Now I have changed the background to a college. I've changed the background of these two images as a college. Now these two students are standing in the background of a college. Already I told you nearly 100 backgrounds are available. You can use the backgrounds and you can change the background. You can see here very clearly in the 0, that is the first frame, the boy is in the yellow color background, and coming over here in the first frame, you can see here both are standing in the background of a college. That is the beauty of this one. So you can add this one, the background, and you can go on giving the dialogues for them. Yeah. So if you want to, you can use the dialogue boxes. As I told you, you can use the dialogue boxes. So you can use a white transparent or white one or a blue color one, whichever you want, you can use that. And you can type the matter. You can type, you can using your keyboard. You just a minute, sir.
Not audible, sir.
Madam, just a minute. Okay. Sir, is the screen visible, sir? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So here, voice okay, sir?
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay. So here you can insert the dialog box. You can insert the dialog box, and you can see, you can type the dialogue. You can type the text for this dialogue. And again, you can see here, you can minimize and maximize the dialog box. You can minimize and maximize the dialog box. You can see two arrows here. You can rotate the dialog box, or else if you don't want, simply you can delete that one. Simply you can delete that one. For every option, for every character, for every voice, for every dialog box, you are going to get minimize, resize, and delete or rotate. All these things are available for all the things. Okay, you can insert the dialog boxes also like this. So if you want to insert the images, so if you want to insert the image, if you click images, it will be showing you, taking your gallery to your mobile. You can insert from the drive, or you can insert from the Google Photos, or else you can insert from your gallery drive also. You can insert that one. So just I have taken an image of our school's distribution of dictionary, just to show that you insert an image also. So here you can see an image is added over here. Again, the image can be resized. So you can resize the image, large or small, or else you can rotate this one, or you can delete this one. So here you can also insert image over here. Right. If you select the character, it is going to show nearly 9 moods. 9 moods of the character is available over here. If we want this particular girl to be angry, if you click on angry, the character will be looking angry and speaking. If you want it normal, it will be normal. If you want to make it cry, it will be crying and telling the dialogues. If you want happy, it will be happy. Thug life, it will be the black specks will be kept, and it will be going on presenting like that. Phone. So if you click on if you click on this phone, automatically the character will a mobile will be there in the hands, and it will be going on speaking, or else bruised, or else shocked. So for every character, nine moods are also available. You can select the mood which you want. So I can show you here. So here you can see I have selected the character of the boy. So here you can see angry, laugh, normal, cry, thug life, phone, bruised, shocked. So please observe the character over here. So it is very normal. Now see the change. So you can see here it is showing angry. You see the facial expressions. You see the facial expressions. So again, I want to show the previous slide. So here you see, so it is in normal. So it is in normal mood. You can coincidence here. You can see here normal. You can see here normal. If you see, I have selected the angry mood of the character. Angry. Angry is there. Automatically, you can see it has changed to angry. It has changed to angry. Yes, madam. I'm going slowly only. Yeah. Okay. So based on the mood of the character, you can change the mood of that particular character going on adding the frames. Yeah. Yes. So here, after adding all the frames, 10 frames, 12 frames, 15 frames like that, you can go for finish. Then you are going to get continue with Google or continue with Facebook. So you have to sign in here. So to share your stories, you have to continue with Google, or else everybody has a Gmail account, or else you can also use your Facebook account. So you just click on that. Automatically it will direct you. It will ask you the particular Gmail account which you like. So which is there in your mobile. As since I am using 2 Gmail accounts in my mobile, it is asking permission to continue for the TwinCraft for one particular Gmail account, access to that. Yes, after giving that, it will be going for authenticating of that. It will be authenticating that. Not visible, sir. Sir, not visible.
Visible, sir. Visible, sir.
But somebody is showing not visible, sir.
Their network issues, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay. So here, after clicking on this Gmail account or on the continue with the Facebook, it goes for authenticating. Yeah. After clicking on that, it will be asking you to change the movie name. Change the movie name. You can give the movie name for that. Since you are the creator, for that movie, you have to give. It will be defaulting. It will be showing as My Movie 0. You can change. The movie name, and you have to click on the accept. You have to click on the accept. Next, you have to select the language, the particular language, because you can also post it to Instagram, Facebook, whatever the media you want, it will be showing, or else you can also keep tags. Nowadays, you can take hashtags. Hashtags are using for like the created video, whether it is funny or Bollywood or movies or cricket or joke like that, you can also add a tag, or else you can select the language. You have to give your nickname. Nickname should be in capital letters. Don't give capital letter and small letter. Because when it is asking for nickname, automatically by default the first letter will be capital letter. But I request to change to the lowercase and give your nickname in small letters. If possible, give alpha numeral. Yusuf 123, Rajamallu 1970 like that. So you give your name, you give your name and also a number for the nickname. Because without giving nickname, we cannot go further. We cannot save our project. We cannot save our video. Okay, right. So please use small letters and also numerals in giving the nickname. Okay, you can select the language, and you have to select the next option over here. Next option. So here, if you select on the language, here different languages are there: Hindi, English, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, like that. You select the particular language which you have created the video. The language of the video, you can select that one. Nearly 18 languages are available in this one. Yes. So here you can see the I didn't rename that. My Movie by Ravi Kola here. You can invite friends. You can share this with your friends, or else save to phone. You have to see here, share with friends is disabled. Share with friends is disabled. Save to phone. So we want our video to be saved on our phone. That's the reason I have enabled this one. So you can see here it is in the orange color. You can see this was in the orange color. This is enabled position. This is in disabled position. And you can see here post. When you enable the save to phone, this particular video will be saving to your phone, saving to your device. Okay. You have to click on post. You have to click on post. It takes nearly, on the length of our video, nearly 2 to 5 minutes of time, because post-production process will occur. First frame, second frame, third frame, animation, effects, moods, the backgrounds, the images, the music, all this will be taken, and it takes time depending on the frames. If you have taken 5 frames, 10 frames, 12 frames, 20 frames like that, it will be taking some time for exporting the entire video. And here you can see that the credits are given for the creator of this video. No, the copyrights are there. So here the video is particularly created by Ravi Kola. That's the reason it is showing Ravi Kola Tweencraft. So this is the watermark will be available, whatever the students created, whatever the teachers created. So that particular name will be displayed till from beginning of the video to the end of the video. This particularly, this name will be visible from here as a, in the, like a watermark. Okay. So this is the particular one feature which is available to this Tweencraft. So after giving a post or finish, it will be taking time for nearly 3 minutes or 5 minutes of time based on your video, based on your frames. So here it is taking time like this, saving movie. So 31% like that. So here 66%. You can see the shift of your name from here to here. So whenever the video is playing, this will be appearing. The creator of this video will be, the name will be appearing on the screen. Yes, saving movie 66% like that. So after completing of this, finishing movie post processing, all these things happens, and finally your video will be saved in your video will be saved in your device, that is the mobile. Okay, so this is how it happens. Just let me share with you 2 videos which were created by our students. So clear, sir? Till here, any clear or any doubts?
Yes,
Please.
clear, sir. Clear.
Yeah.
Clear, sir. Clear.
Yes, thank you, madam. Thank you. Okay, right. So I'll show you so how creative the students are. If you just introduce this app, how creative the students will make use of this one. And we started online classes for our students in the month of July 12th. So we have been working with them by introducing different type of tools, not only English language. We are making them to integrate the technology also. So we are creating wonders with our students. You can see how they started using the language to this over here. Okay, so just a minute. Okay. So I wanted to share the video. Yeah. Sir, can you see the video, sir?
Yeah, sir. It is started.
Oh, okay, sir.
Good morning, Nick.
Very good morning.
Shall we start our interview?
Yeah, sure.
Who are your parents?
My father Boris Vejicic, a computer programmer, and my mother is Laska Vejicic, nurse.
How did they feel when you were born without arms and legs?
They were shocked and disappointed to have their kid without limbs.
What is inspire you the most?
When I was studying a newspaper article about a disabled man who achieved me a lot.
How do you feel about yourself present?
I feel happy I am the one who inspiring people by giving hope to them.
What is the message that you want to give people?
I want to tell people to keep trying again and again until they finish their tasks successfully.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
So this is what they have created. They have written the script. They have written the interview script, and they started using this app and taking the 2 characters. They created that one. And another video also I wanted to share with you.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
With my parents.
Where do your parents live?
With me.
Where do you all live?
Together.
Where is your house?
Next to my neighbor's house.
Where is your neighbor house?
You won't believe me if I tell you.
Tell me.
Next to my house.
So for the wit and humor lesson, they have done this one. So the first video is about interview with Nick, and the second video is about a funny conversation So creating for this second unit, that is wit and humor. So this is how you can create animated videos using this small app, TwinCraft.
అది మాట్లాడాలి ఇదా
Sir.
Sir, do you like to explore on screen, sir?
Sir, hello. Yusuf, sir.
Sir, are you going to show on explore on your?
No, sir. Because I am
No.
using the desktop, I cannot show.
Yeah.
I cannot show this Android so here.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
I can show, but BlueStacks it takes some more time, sir. By using
Yeah.
BlueStacks, I can show, but it
Mhm.
takes more time, and because of the connectivity, poor connectivity, everyone cannot follow me. Everyone cannot
Okay.
follow me. Just I have taken. That's the reason I have taken the screenshots, and I showed
Okay.
the stepwise procedure, how to introduce,
Yeah.
how to add a character, add a background, add a background music, add our own images, and also
Yes.
recording the voice for the characters, and also including the dialogue boxes. Like that,
Yeah.
we can use these things, sir. Yeah. If anybody
Okay,
has
sir.
any queries, you can use this.
Okay.
Yes, madam. Nursing.
Kiranmai
How
madam,
can we use
Kiranmai
this app
madam.
other than conversation? So other than conversations, you can use it for interviews also. You can use it for descriptions. You can use for descriptions and also introducing the topics. So by telling a lesson also, you can take the screenshots of our topics of the lesson. You can go on telling. You can record your instead of music. You can give your own voiceover, and you can add that voiceover also. You can give your own. You can record your own voice, and you can insert your own voice over there also.
Yeah, we can create a tutter blanket
madam, ask
lesson also.
questions if
Gopi
any
and
question is
grandmother.
Sir Shankar sir, my mobile number is I have typed in the chat box, sir. You can feel free to call me. Okay, 994911085001. No sir, Srinivasachar sir, I told you it is available only on the Android platform. We cannot use it on the Windows. We cannot use it on the Windows. Yes sir, it will be created. Madam, yes. Please show a picture which is created by. Yes, I have shown you a video. No sir. Raghu sir, I think. So I have already shown a video created by the students. Sir.
Asking only animated picture. Mostly I am watching in video, social medias. They are creating animation pictures. I am asking that one.
Sir.
I am asking. Any social media, on social media, some pictures are drawn which are animated.
Hello.
Raghu sir.
Sir, Raghu sir, please unmute and speak, sir. Raghu sir.
Raghu sir.
Sir.
Unmute yourself.
No. Okay, I'm speaking.
Yeah.
I unmuted. Just now I unmuted.
Yeah.
My doubt is, we are watching on social media many pictures animated. That is animated and very viral also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, listening.
Yes, sir.
Listening, my
yes, sir. Okay.
You are audible, sir. You can ask.
Sir, I'm social media. We are watching commonly which are animated pictures and commenting also commenting. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir. I
So
told you.
How do we create such animated pictures? How do?
Sir, many apps are available, sir. Many apps are available. I just told you about one app.
Just you make up. Can you make up?
Sir, it takes some time, sir, to show you how to create that
It is
zip
not
file.
possible now. You postpone.
No,
Okay.
I cannot show you. In singing class, I cannot tell all that things.
Thank you.
Sir, any queries you can ask, sir. Kiranmai madam.
Subhash Chandra sir, you can use 20, 30, 40 frames, but our video should be minimum 5 minutes time only, sir, because you see children cannot watch more than the 5 minutes duration videos. Please restrict ourselves to create videos within 5 minutes duration. You can see the attention of the students will be, you can see they cannot watch anything more than 5 minutes. That's the reason I request you to create videos which is of 5 minutes duration itself. It should be very like catchy, or it should be very attractive, and it should be very within what we call, in less time you have to tell more concepts. Any other, sir? Yusuf, sir.
Okay, Ravinder, sir. Hello.
Sir, Mahendra, sir. For desktops and laptops, you can use you can use PowerPoint presentation animations also. The animations are there. You can use that. But coming over here, I just told you, I introduced the app that is available on the Android platform, because every teacher has got access to this smartphones. Not only teachers, the students. We want, our intention is not only reaching to the students. We have to reach the unreached. Unreached means our students. We have to reach the students. So how can we reach the students? How can we make our learning? How can we make a remote learning? How can we contact them? How can we get connected with our students? That's our intention, sir. Yes, sir. Rajamoul, sir.
Yes, sir. Is it over? Will you
Completed,
complete
sir.
over?
Completed, sir.
Okay, thank you, thank you. I request Kiranmai madam to ask questions if any question is left over. Hello, please respond, madam. Kiranmai madam.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. She is asking. She will ask. Just a wait.
Is there no Kiranmai madam? Or else any other participants, please. You can unmute yourself and ask the questions regarding this creating animated videos.
Rajamouli sir, unmute yourself.
Good afternoon, everybody. Sir, class is excellent. He explained everything very well. Sir, I request him to upload this video in our ELTA webinar or in YouTube, so that we can watch at our leisure. At present, I am in the meeting. My HM is conducting meeting at our school, so I am unable to concentrate on the video. So my request should be solicited. Thank you.
Okay, definitely, sir. I'll share the link, sir. Tutorial link is there.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, brother, you can give me the link in my WhatsApp, then I will forward it. Any more questions, please?
మళ్ళీ వచ్చింది నేను
Hello.
నేను చేసినాకనే ఫస్ట్ పెండింగ్ వచ్చిందని మీరు పెట్టినాక డన్ సార్ అని చెప్పిన
Sir, I request our participants to respond whether if you have any questions, please ask by unmuting yourself.
How to give titles in animated videos?
Sir.
Sir, one person asking, sir, how to give titles in animated videos?
So first in frames, you take first frame, you add the text over there. After that, you add the character. Automatically, what happens in the first frame, you can see the title. Later, the video will appear. Later, the video will appear.
Do you show that PPT once again, sir?
Okay, sir.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Started.
Sir, okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, yes. So this is one, sir. So here I have taken the character. Instead of that, if you click here, you can get add text. Add text will come, sir. So you can see here, add text. Add text here will come. So first you take this. Instead of taking the character, first you take add text. So you keep text. You keep text like in the dialog box. Then you add in the second frame. Then you add the character. Automatically, first title will come. That is the lesson topic name, followed by the characters. You can go further. Okay, sir?
Okay, sir. One more question, sir. How can we add 2 characters in a single frame?
Yes, not only 2. You can add 10 characters. A teacher
10
and
characters.
students. 10 characters you can add. You can add 10 characters in a single frame.
Yeah.
But you have to download the characters.
Yeah.
So I showed you, no. So how to download here?
Yeah, once again, sir, please.
Yes, yes.
What,
So
That's why I'm asking, sir. Most of the teachers I found in chat box, sir, it is very fast. It is better to be slow like that. No, that's why.
Yes, yes. So that you have to download whatever the backgrounds you want, whatever the characters you want. You have to download that. Later only you can use that. Later only you can use that.
Yeah.
Without downloading that, you cannot take them into your frames. If you want to insert into your frames, you have to download that.
Like character, these pictures are not available in this app, sir.
Sir, this
For character, most of the pictures are available, no?
Yes, sir. The preloaded characters only you can take. Other characters outside you cannot take.
Yeah.
Because see, sir, without technical
Sir.
expertise, without technical skills, without any knowing of animation, just with using this app, you can go on giving movements, motions. You can give the changing
Yeah.
of the voice, changing the background, all these
Yes.
things.
Yeah.
Ravi Kumar, sir.
Sir.
Sir, it is excellent present. What is our bad luck is school reopening is our bad luck. Why so many teachers missed your
No need,
wonderful presentation.
Sir, no need. We will arrange other session.
Yeah.
We request Raman sir
Yeah.
to arrange other session so that I can
Excellent.
tell you two or three tools for creating animated videos. I will be introducing you two to three tools again, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sure, sir. Okay.
Today's only 151 participated has joined, sir.
Sir.
It is it is more than 300 participants, sir. That means only 50% of the teachers has joined today, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Any queries you can ask. I request participant, if you have any queries you can ask. Mallesham sir.
Sir, Yusuf sir,
Sir.
please invite Srikanth sir to say vote of thanks if the class is over, because very
Okay,
poor
okay.
signal here.
Yeah,
Invite
sir.
Srikanth Pendela.
It is 3:23, no? Okay.
Okay.
Let me invite our treasurer, Elta Siddipet district, Pendam Srikanth sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Over to Srikanth sir, just for a vote of thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
My name is Pendim Srikanth. I am from JDPHS Gudikandala, Uta Mandal. So now I would like to give vote of thanks to this session. So first of all, I give to vote of thanks on behalf of district. First of all, I thank my sincere gratitude to our district education officer. My sincere gratitude to our district education officer, Mr. Ravikant Rao Garu, because of providing this good platform to us. And next, I thanks to our sectorial officers as well as our complex HMs for monitoring this program. And I thank to all our friends to participate in this program with patience. Even though we have a lot of problems today, weather problem, network problem. So maybe I hope tomorrow this type of troubles we can't face tomorrow. Okay. And I thanks to our ELTA president, Mr. Panja Rajamal Garu, and our General Secretary, Muhammad Yusuf Garu. Thank you, sir. Thank you for and all ELTA officials. Thank you, sir, for giving this good opportunity to me. Thank you very much. Over to Yusuf, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Srikanth sir. Thank you for your vote of thanks. Rajamalu sir?
Yes, I would like to say one more.
Yeah.
Okay. My special thanks to Dr. Ravi Kumar Kola. He has spent his
sir.
time for
I
our
forgot.
Elta Siddipet teachers.
Okay. Srikanth.
Rajamal sir. Okay.
Okay.
I
Okay.
will
Okay.
tell, sir.
Yes. Yes.
So
Yes.
our special thanks to our presenter, Mr. Dr. Ravi Kumar Kola, for his wonderful presentation. Sir, it is very useful to teachers as well as students. It is we became children in your session. So at the time of your presentation, it is this session inculcate interest among the children. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Rajamalu
Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Thank
Thank you. Thank you, Srikant sir. Yes, yes. I am going to give a message, please.
Yeah.
Okay. Sir, actually, every day for the last 9 program sessions, nearly 290 to 300 participants participated. But this day, reserved only 150 to 160 participants participated. Our teachers participated. So it is uh, very sad situation, believe me or not. Most of the teachers lost their class because of different reasons, particularly the internet connectivity. So we will inform this situation to our honorable DEO sir and sectoral officer. If they accept, whether they accept or they do not accept, we don't know. But once again, we will appeal to our authorities to conduct this program for our English teachers at home. Otherwise, with our own interest, we need to participate, please, because we are helpless. If they help us, if they accept, no problem. But otherwise, we need to conduct it for ourselves. If the officials cooperate with us, there will be no problem. If the officials do not cooperate with us, then we need to attend in this way, either in the evening or we will decide it. But please cooperate. Thankful to all the participants. They listened very patiently. Really, we are thankful. And once again, I am thankful to Dr. Ravikumar Kola. Okay, sir. Hello.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir.
I request Bhaskar sir. Actually, Bhaskar sir is the host, but the name is not appearing there. First, I thought that there was Mahendra. Sir, I respond. Please respond, Bhaskar sir.
Sir, it's okay when the settings have been changed by Mahendra sir. And thank you, Ravi Kumar sir. That was really a wonderful presentation. And as Rajamalu sir said, we will try to coordinate with the officials and we will try to fix up one certain time so that everyone will be benefited from tomorrow onwards. And thank you all. And by this, I am closing the conversation. I am closing this meeting. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.